made a special card for you, Mom. We love you so much, Mom.
We love you more than anything.
Mom, you're the best. Hey, look, my favorite picture of Mom.
Wow, she looks so half-favorite.
I love that one.
I remember that day too.
Wow, is that you, Mommy?
Yes, that's me when I was little.
Look at that smile.
This one was my favorite.
Look at this one, Mom.
Mom, you're the best.
Yeah, we love you so much.
I love you both. Thank you for making me smile again.
Ready, Mom?
Yes, thank you. Let's go make my favorite tea.
Yay, tea!
You always make my day better.
This is for you, Mom.
Oh, my darlings, thank you. Nothing makes me happier than being with you all.
Mom, we made you a surprise. Ta-da, it's a cake.
Oh, my dears, it looks wonderful.
We baked this just for you.
This looks so yummy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Molly, to you.
I wish for more moments like this.
Mom, this is for you. We made it ourselves.
Oh, thank you, my dears.
Delicious.
This is the best cake ever. To family.
To us. We're all together, and that's what matters most.
Mom, remember the frog? It jumped on the cake.
And its legs were all wiggly.
You always make me laugh, kids. This is how we spend our weekends. My turn now.
You two make my heart so full. Ready? Go!
Yay, it's starting.
I'm not good at this, but I'll try.
Come on, Mom, you can do it.
All right, team, let's clean up.
Okay, Mom, this was fun.
It's the little things that make a big difference.
Let's take a walk, Mom.
That sounds lovely. A walk in the park is always so peaceful. I'm so glad we're here together. I love these simple moments.
Look, Mom, the ducks are swimming. They're so cute. Yeah. Watch this. Mine went twice.
This is so much fun!
It's such a beautiful evening.
I feel so happy and at peace.
We're home, Mom.
The stars are so beautiful tonight.
You deserve all the love in the world.
Thank you.
My dear ones. There's nothing better than being with you all.
Mom, what was it like when you were a kid?
Yeah, tell us a story. Let me tell you a story from when I was your age. I remember when I used to play in the garden. I got into so much trouble back then. I'm glad you think it's funny now. I'm so grateful for each of you. You make every day brighter. It's so wonderful to see you happy. Today has been perfect. Let's enjoy this time together. This is our family time. I'm so lucky to have you all. This is my favorite part.
The flying scenes were the best. I love the forest spirits.
The train ride was magical.
The cat bus, so cute.
Good night, my loves. Sleep tight, my sweet children. I love you so much. I am at peace knowing you are all happy.
Today was unforgettable.
Thank you for making my heart smile, always. Every day with you fills me with joy.
This is the life I've always dreamed of.
I cherish moments like this, when the world feels still. Even the little things make me happy.
A new day filled with endless possibilities. Good morning, everyone.
It looks yummy. I'm starving. Mom, today we're going on a big adventure. Yeah, to the park and then build a fort. You two never stop amazing me.
Watching you grow makes me so proud.
Mom, we picked these for you.
You're always so thoughtful, my loves. These are my treasures. Every moment with you is a blessing.